Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your FitCloud Pro device. First, make sure your wearable is fully charged and your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Next, download the FitCloud Pro application from your phone's App Store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials to begin the pairing process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Now, let's initiate the pairing. Open the FitCloud Pro app and look for the Device or Me tab, usually found at the bottom. From there, tap on Add Device or Bind Device to prompt the app to search for nearby wearables. A list of available Bluetooth devices will appear. Carefully select your specific FitCloud Pro compatible device from this list to proceed with the connection. After selecting your device, you'll likely see a pairing request on both your phone and the wearable. Confirm this request on both to establish the connection. The app will then ask for various permissions, such as location or notifications. Grant these for full functionality. Finally, take a moment to personalize your profile and set your daily health and fitness goals, like a 10,000-step target. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Try restarting both your phone and your FitCloud Pro device, then attempt the pairing again. Also, ensure no other Bluetooth devices are currently connected to your wearable, as this can interfere. Regularly update the FitCloud Pro app to benefit from performance improvements and new features, ensuring a consistently smooth and reliable connection experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.